Today we are in Steger, Illinois, lining a sewer approximately 40 feet from an overhead cleanout in a basement. The customer was experiencing frequent backups due to tree roots growing in the joints of the clay tile pipe. With our Speedy Light system, we were able to cure the liner using UV light within approximately 20 minutes of installation. Here is our pre-lining video of the sewer after we cleared the tree roots out of the line. And here is our post-lining video. As you can see, the pipe is now smooth and all joints are lined. Tree roots will no longer grow back into the sewer line, and the customer will no longer experience frequent backups. Give us a call or visit our website.